we're gonna build our Brio set. And this, this is the map. This is all we have to go off of. And a picture, and this. So, not really much to go off of, but I think we can do this. You think we could do it?
Yeah.
We should lay it out like this on the table. And we'll start building this side here, because that'll be on this section. And then we'll go that way. So we have our map, we have our picture. Let's start this, dude. Okay, we need this station, right?
Yeah. So heavy.
And we're gonna make it look like this. So it's gonna be like that because there's a little turning thing and a little turning thing right here. Okay. Uh-oh, nope. So we have this one, goes there, and then another turn.
Found one.
There we go.
Not too hard to get them apart.
Oh, you're good. Okay, and then where's the tunnel? There's the tunnel. It's gonna go here. I don't think it, oh yeah. It goes like this. That's kind of fun. And I need another little turn.
Oh.
It's gonna go like this. A long straight piece.
A long straight piece?
I think it's this one, Munchkin. Okay, can I get another turn? Yeah, awesome. This, so here we are here. And can I get one of those long straightaway pieces like this? Where's that really big, the big switch track? It looks like a big triangle. This one. I need this one. Wait a sec. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this one's gonna go here like this. We have this piece, which I think goes right here. Right. Here we go. This goes here like that. Can I get another little turn? Awesome. You want to put it here for me? Just like this. Okay, and then another little turn. Thank you. And this one's going to go like this. So far we have our tunnel, our station, our tunnel, round, big switch track. And now we're here. Now we're right here. We need a little piece. I think like this. I think. Oh, we need where's the other one of these?
Big one.
Yeah, this one. Okay, so we're gonna put this right here.
Wait.
And this goes, oh, now we have our first loop. This looks so good. Now we have all this stuff to move out of the way. This is the loop we have here. And this track is all elevated right here. So that's a bridge, and that's a bridge, and that's a bridge. A bridge is gonna go here somewhere.
I got a bridge.
And we'll put it right here for now. And you're gonna put the other bridge over here. Now let's find, can we find some roads? Here, the road's gonna go like this. So the road right here, this one's gonna go like
That's a big
this. And the bridge is gonna go over the road, something like that. Right, very good, Liam. And this is where we're gonna put that for now. It's like the train station. It's gonna go right here. Right here, we have one of those two connectors.
Is this?
Those little connectors, here we go, this one. This one's gonna go right here. Where are those one of the switch tracks? Yes, awesome, Munchkin. So this one's gonna go here. Give me a curve track.
Can fit?
Yep.
Oh.
Gotta push it back a little bit.
Did it!
Awesome sauce.
Awesome
Okay, so we have
sauce.
this right there. And it's gonna be another straight track. We'll put it here. So that's gonna go here.
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce is right. And I'm gonna do something like this. Here, you wanna put the curve track on? Oh, there's gonna be two of them. Here, something like this. Right? Oh, I did that wrong, kiddo. We're just using these. So these wooden things are kind of propping you up. This is where we're gonna do a curve. Whoops, that's a big curve. So we have the elevated track here. So we're here right now. We have a straight piece. Now we have another straight piece like this one. Now we're getting into our, oh, sorry, that's a mountain. Mountain here.
You need one mountain there.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, so we have a mountain here. And then this
Daddy?
is gonna go here. That's this piece. And on our map, that's a little turn. Okay, there we go. There we go. Wow, this is fun.
It is fun, Daddy.
And now I think we get into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Our mountain's coming up.
So 1, 2,
Got one.
3,
I got two.
4, 5. Awesome. Thank you, Munchkin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so here we are. We have a big turn, and we have another big turn. So we're gonna put a mountain here. This is a little hard to do this in one hand.
Got it.
Thanks, kiddo. Oh, you're so helpful. Here. So we have turn, turn. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this is a long piece. It's a long piece right here. Oh, I see. So we have another mountain that's gonna go here. Big turn, 2 small turns. Munchkin, can you get me 2 small turns? Okay, can we put one of them right here? And we'll do this. Look at that. Look what you did. Awesome.
I connect the connection.
You are so helpful.
Now we gotta
Okay.
figure out how we...
Now, we gotta move some of this out of the way. So we have one of those. Goes here. That's where I see one of those. And then a small turn. Like this. Small piece here. Switch track. There. Are we missing some? Are we missing a track? Perfect. That's gonna go here.
How many pieces do we have left?
We just have one piece left, but
We have one connection left, but
what's going on?
what? What, Daddy?
Because I don't think this is it. That's not it. Maybe there's, there we go. There we go. We had a track in the wrong spot. Nice job, kiddo.
We did it!
Whoa, dude.
That is the wrong track.
Holy moly.
Oh my goodness!
Dude. Where does that little station? Oh, you're right. It goes right here. Okay, Munchkin. So let's do this, right? Want to put your trains together and just put them on the track right now? Let's figure this out. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my
The
gosh.
truck is coming, Phoebe.
Okay, kiddo.
Beep, beep,
Look
beep,
at that. We did everything. I feel like we did that in record time.
Yes, we did it.
Okay, let's send around one of these trains around the track because I want to see how everything works together.
I'll send this train.
Okay, send this guy up the hill.
Uh-oh, there's only 2 passengers on the train.
That's okay. Oh my goodness. So he's gonna come over the bridge and
Stop.
yep, we're gonna stop at the station.
And he's gonna get out.
Do you want to bring the elevator up?
Okay.
Let's put the elevator up.
Phoebe.
Oh my goodness.
He's getting off.
Wow. Okay, so let's keep sending the train. And he's gonna go over the bridge. Oh my gosh. This is super cool. So this guy's gonna come down the hill. Oh my goodness. This is, Okay, so the little person doesn't fit in the bridge. Back this way. We're gonna come under this way again. And instead, you can turn here, and that's what this train's gonna do. Oh, all these people. We gotta put them inside. You gotta lift up their little hands. Gotta lift up their little hands, and then put them in. Something like that. She's just gonna lay down. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like a subway. I love it. Oh my goodness. And we're back at this. Awesome. So we're back at the station. Now that train's gonna go up there, right?
And you go this way.
And the subway, yep, and the subway just kind of goes back this way. Oh my goodness. And then you can turn to go over here. So we have freight train. What is this? This is our shipping container. Our shipping boat. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is so amazing. I don't know who's more excited, me or you.
I am. I am.
Okay, you wanna play with this now?
Yeah.
We're gonna have so much fun with this. We'll see you all later.